Common first aid is crucial for emergency preparedness. It provides individuals with the knowledge to respond quickly in emergencies. Basic first aid can save lives by providing immediate care and attention. This CPD-accredited Common First Aid Training by Care Skills Training is an online course crafted to teach learners how to respond effectively to everyday medical emergencies. This course is ideal for anyone. Whether you're a parent, teacher, and office worker, it's something everyone can do. It's also suitable for those living in controlled environments where first aid awareness is a legal or organizational requirement. This Common First Aid course focuses on equipping learners with the skills necessary to provide immediate care until professional medical assistance arrives. In an emergency, seconds can mean the difference between life and death. That's why it's crucial to understand the basics of first aid in any situation. At Care Skills Training, our course covers a range of first aid topics, including assessing the injured person, managing bleeding, and responding to allergic reactions. It provides clear guidance on the use of defibrillators and recovery positions. Training through Care Skills Training means choosing quality and credibility. Designed by trusted professionals, our CPD-accredited course is straightforward, engaging, and easy to follow. Enroll now and start your Common First Aid Training course. To learn more, please read the description below and visit our website for further information.